The year is 1993, and well, frankly, nothing is really different has happened except for Windows for Workgroups 3.11. So without further ado, let's get Roy into the video. Windows for Workgroups 3.11 was a minor upgrade to Windows 3.1. Now, it was like basically kind of like the Workgroups for 3.1, except it was, well, honestly, I don't know what specifically changed about it. By the way, what you're watching here is me attempting to play Sim Tower on Windows 3.11, but because the display drivers are so, it's because it's running in 16-bit color, it was physically impossible to play. So anyway, I thought I'd give you something to watch while it renders. Anyway, so it wasn't really much to say. I mean, I wish in the video I could have attempted to log on to the internet, say Google, but of course, I'll explain why in the actual demonstration of why I could not even get into an actual network. So anyway, without further ado, let's get raw into the video. Hello guys, what is up? This is another operating systems history video, and this is Windows for Workgroups 3.11 or 3.11. So as you can see, I've already had the system all set up with the Sound Blaster, the the everything you need, kind of the CD-ROM drivers are all installed. I also have installed some applications such as Microsoft Word and Microsoft Works, which is pretty much kind of like the predecessor for Microsoft Office. So let's get right into it. So I can't, for some reason, I can't install networking, even though that's what it's supposed to do, which is, run network. So here's the reason why. One, because when I just try to boot into it, it hangs on the splash screen. Now, a forum told me that it should start eventually. I waited about a half an hour. It didn't do anything. So you can also just start without networking by pressing doing win. So I do win, and then you do that and that end. That would mean no networking will be turned off. But it also was conflicting with the sound card, and when I tried installing it after I installed networking, it said I tried restarting the Windows, it said user exe fail or something like that. So I decided not to do networking. So I mean, I don't really know how to exactly do it, configure the networking on this older. So this, I have some oops, crap, right there. So I had some programs installed. I have Microsoft Works 2.0. I have Microsoft Word, and I think I also have a version of Microsoft Works for DOS as well. Now I didn't actually install it. Actually, is it here? I wonder if I can actually add it to Windows. So now when you first install it, you can actually add programs to Microsoft Windows 3.1. So I'm gonna actually go to main, and we're gonna go to control panel, and let's see. So we got my sound. Obviously, it's all working and good. Let me see. I'm actually gonna move this one quick because it's kind of in the way. Just a little bit. Come on, a little bit. And just gonna move that like that there. All right, good. All right. So, but I can't really get this in full screen because it's not. I can't get the video drivers to work because this is such an old. So I'm gonna have to actually open it up to the DOS prompt. So this is what the DOS. I don't think I ever showed you guys the DOS prompt. This is what it looks like. So in later version of Windows, you'd have an actual window rather than a full screen. I don't think it had this. It didn't really have the support for that at the time, I don't think, so it just kind of stuck with this. Now, I mean, it's a lot different than in Windows, in Windows 1.0 and 2.0. If you wanted to go back to DOS, you have to quit your Windows session to go back to DOS. However, so I'm gonna try. Let's see, directory/w. So I think it'd be in. That's weird. When I do /W, it doesn't. There we go. Sorry. Let's see. I think maybe it just works. There we go. There we go. Now I don't have any mouse drivers installed. I was gonna get around to that, but I never did. So, so if you wanna, you can make a. I don't know what a works widget is. Open the calendar. Open existing file. So I'm gonna create a new file here. So we got database, communication. I don't know what communications means. Spreadsheet, word processor. You know, and yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ! It scared the crap out of me. Hello. And now obviously it doesn't use true type fonts, so I think it, you know, you use true type fonts I think when you print, but not when you actually my name is William. I'm actually gonna try to open this document in Works for Windows, because I'm pretty sure Microsoft wouldn't make a stupid mistake of, you know, having specific file systems for older versions, so I'm gonna call it test. Test. Frick. Test. Alright, there we go. And then we go. I'm going to save to C. I'm going to do it as a I'm going to do it as a works. Save it to MS Works disk full. What the hell? Okay, I'll just save it to C. This is very hard to do with a keyboard. I will try my best. So, okay, and now it's saved, and I just want to go exit Works. And I want to go to exit, and it goes right back into Windows. And then you want to make the screen smaller here. Speeds a little bit. And there we go. And now I want to go. I'm going to go to Works for Windows. Microsoft Works. Open existing document. So it'll be in C. And I don't see it. There we go, let's try that. I saved it. Oh, it's in C. That's right, it's in Works. Test. There we go. As you can see, it clearly works. So I'm actually going to just move the screen just a little bit. There we go. So let's see, tools, edit. Don't know how to change characters, but yeah. Oh, I can. Let's get rid of this. I don't need to get out of here. Yeah. No. That scared me. Everything in this computer scares me. Goddamn. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for when. I mean, like I said, if I had networking, I'd be able to show you more. But like I said, networking, it hung on to networking. So see, it's trying to. The reason why it hangs is because it's trying to search for a network, and there is no network to search for, so it's going to keep searching forever and ever and ever, and well, it's never going to stop. Basically, that's the thing. So, anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great and fantastic week. And see y'all. Hopefully I'm gonna be covering this week. If I do finish, I'm gonna do a little quick thing on Windows 3.11, which is the later release, which is just regular 3.11 without networking, which was released like a couple months later. It's funny, they released 3.11 for Workgroups first, then 3.11. I don't know why, but no, I'm not gonna do a whole video on it, really. I'm just gonna you know, anyway, so I'm gonna hopefully be able to cover my favorite childhood OS, which is of course Windows 95. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching and have a great week. Bye.